Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how I use D2L each week for my educational technology class. So after I log in, I go here and I go to my educational technology class. And now each week I start at course home. These are where the weekly news updates are. And they're a little different each week, so I make sure I read through them. And the biggest part of our news each week is the code of the week. This week's is screen capturing. And the reason this is so important is because that's how we record our attendance for this class. So you can go here to check your attendance report record to make sure you did it correctly. And then I go to content. And now I go to week 13, which we're already here. And I start with the videos. I watch through the order that it asks you to, so 1 and 2. And I also go through the order of assignments. And I do all of this after I've already done my attendance report for the week. And then at the end of every week, we have to do a class feedback report. And this is after you've completed your assignment. Make sure you complete your assignment because some of the questions on the class feedback report are about your assignments. Not necessarily like a quiz, but how did you go through the process of learning something? Did you learn something new? And so this week's assignment was Screencast-o-matic. So I'm recording this video for this week's assignment so I can learn how to use this software. And then I like to look at my other places options. I have my grade section where I go through and look at my attendance report grades, which I have week 1 through 5 graded so far. And we also have our assignment section, which is currently, there's no quizzes available. And so, yeah, I just want to let you know that each week, start with the news section, then go to the content of that week, go through the instruction before you look at the assignment, because Dr. Chai has different things each week that he likes to say and likes to talk about with the announcements, and he'll give you answers to your feedback to the class to help you out. And yeah, that's how I use my D2L page. Thank you guys for listening, and I hope you have a great day.